I can make any product work, even yours. Your market is too saturated, that niche is overcrowded, too many competitors selling the same thing. How many times have you heard this BS? Or worse, how many times have you told yourself this when your product isn't selling? Here's the truth bomb I'm dropping today. There is no such thing as a saturated product. It's only ineffective marketing. I can make any product work, even yours, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how, step by step. Let's get something straight. When e-commerce owner or a business owner saying my market is too saturated, they're indirectly saying they don't know how to stand out. It's a mindset problem, not a market reality. Look at water bottles, literally thousands of brands selling essentially the same thing. Then Stanley comes along and makes $750 million in 2023 alone by selling water bottles. Or look at Liquid Death, canned water in a can. They are now valued at more than $700 million. Let me be honest here, the product wasn't unique, okay? The marketing was. So you might be curious, if saturation isn't real, what is the actual problem? It's simple. Most e-commerce owners completely miss the 4 pillars of effective marketing. Pillar number 1, strategic marketing tactics. Not generic or one-size-fits-all marketing approaches, but strategies customized to the specific product and customers. Now I'm going to show you the example of generic marketing versus strategic marketing for fashion brands. Now let me show you the marketing examples for fashion brands, okay? One is like generic marketing example and another is strategic marketing example, okay? Most fashion brands do the generic marketing. As you can see here, new spring collection out now, shop the latest trends. Buy now, get 10% off or free shipping, something like that, you know. But the strategic marketing example is here, okay. Our most awaited spring drop is now live. Vegan leather jackets and organic cotton fits are now 20% off for VIP members. It directly speaks to their target audience, like segmented audience, with offers as well, which is much more personalized than the generic example, okay. Now let's talk about the targeting. For generic marketing, targeting is very broad, you know, like they think that all of them are their potential customers. But for the strategic marketing, the targeting would be like Gen Z women who value sustainability and deals. Now here, like in generic marketing, the message would be vague, style neutral, you know. But in strategic marketing, the messaging is like this speaks to the values directly, okay. It could be ethics or styles, you know. Another is channel, okay. Their channel would be like general mass media, social posts. But for the strategic marketing, their channel would be like social influencers like Instagram, TikTok influencers, VIP email list, eco fashion communities, okay. They value the communities who are loyal. And the outcome is some brand visibility, because yeah, you're doing social posts and media, and low engagement and conversion rate, of course, because nobody feels like personalized, your message doesn't stand out. And in the strategic marketing, you know, the outcome is like higher conversion, okay, loyalty from a clearly defined target group, which means you'll get repeat purchase as well. Now in summary, okay, generic is like look at our stuff, okay, buy now. It doesn't like really work that much. But strategic marketing, okay, you tell your target audience, here's why you will love this and here's how to get it now. This gives more incentives to your target market, okay, to make that purchasing decision. Most people copy what others are doing. Oh, that guy is doing Facebook ads, I should do that too. That's not a strategy, that's imitation. Now let's talk about the pillar number 2, choosing the right channels. Your potential customers hang out in specific places, and if you're not there, you don't exist to them. You might be shocked how many people are trying to sell retirement product on TikTok or Gen Z fashion on Facebook. You need to know about your customer first to know about the channel. Pillar number 3, ultra precise targeting. This is where the magic happens, okay. It's not enough to know about the demographics. You need to understand about your target market's psychographics. What keeps your customer up at night? What do they desire more than anything? What language do they use to describe their problems? You need to understand this before you address the solution to your potential customer. And finally, pillar number 4, creating irresistible offers. All of your customers are saying get 10% off, free shipping or whatever, but that's not an offer, okay? That's a commodity. An irresistible offer addresses specific objections, eliminates risk, and create urgency without being salesy. Now there's one exception to everything what I've just said. Your product must solve a real problem. I have generated over $120 million in sales for my clients with Facebook ads, and even I cannot market something that nobody wants. No amount of marketing brilliance can create desire where none exists. But here's the thing, most of the products do solve the real problems, but they don't communicate it effectively. Okay, here's a quick test to know if your product has a genuine demand. Are people actively searching for the solution to the problems you solve? Are they willing to pay money to solve this problem? Are there any successful competitors selling similar products? If you answered yes to these questions, congratulations, your product isn't the problem. Your marketing is. Let me show you what I mean with some real-life examples. We recently worked with a client selling protein powder. Talk about saturation. There are literally thousands of protein brands. Their sales had stocked at around like $10,000 per month in revenue. Within 90 days of implementing our framework, they hit 100K per month. You might be curious, what did we change? It's not the product, okay? It's marketing. We identified their ideal customers aren't just fitness enthusiasts. They were busy professionals who care about clean ingredients and convenience. So we shifted their marketing channel from Instagram to LinkedIn and podcast sponsorships. And we completely rewrote the messaging to focus on clean fuel for busy professionals. We also created subscription offer with personalized nutrition coaching included. This resulted a 10x growth in a saturated market. So how do you apply this to your business? Here's the exact framework we use. Step 1, diagnostic. Be brutally honest about your current marketing. Is it truly different from your competitors? Would you be excited to receive your own marketing? Step number 2, identify unique angles. What is the one thing you can own in the market? It could be a specific target audience. It could be a specific customer segment others ignore, a unique benefit your products deliver, a story or a mission that you can tell, a guarantee or risk reversal that your competitors won't match. Step number 3, channel selection. Go where your competitors aren't. If they're using Facebook, try TikTok, or try to market yourself differently in whatever platforms you're promoting yourself on. The riches are in the niches, especially the marketing channel niches. Now let me show you the irresistible offer construction framework. Faster, okay? The full form is F stands for focused value, A stands for added bonus, S stands for scarcity urgency, T stands for transformation or benefit, E stands for easy to say yes, and R stands for relevance. Okay, let's start with focused value. What it means: identify what your target audience wants most. Okay, is it style or sustainability or exclusivity? For example, limited edition streetwear made from recycled fabrics. Now let's move into another one, added bonuses. It includes extras that enhance the offer's appeal. For example, get a free eco tote with orders above $100. Another is scarcity or urgency. It encourages quick action with limited time or limited quantity available. For example, only 200 jackets made, okay, and it won't restock. Another is transformation or benefit, okay. It shows how the customer's life or image improves. For example, look sharp, feel empowered, dress like you mean it. Another is easy to say yes. It reduces risk and make purchasing frictionless. For example, free returns within 30 days and pay later with Klarna. Next one is relevance. It crafts the offer to a specific segment or persona so that all the messaging and everything is personalized, and that means relevant. For example, exclusive drop for sneakerheads, new arrival plus early access to our SMS subscribers. It provides the sense of relevance, personalization, as well as offer. So if you use this faster framework to craft an irresistible offer, you're already done with 50% of marketing strategy. Now, I have given you the framework, but execution is everything. And sometimes you need an outside perspective to see the opportunities you are missing. That's why I'm offering a free strategy session to the e-commerce brand owners who are doing over $50,000 per month in revenue, who are serious about breaking through in saturated market. In this 30-minute call, I will personally help you identify the hidden opportunities in your market, craft your unique positioning, develop a personalized marketing plan to stand out, and create an offer that your competitors can't easily copy. Just go to manofy.com, manofy.com, or click the first link in the description as well to schedule your free growth call. I only do few of these calls every week, so make sure to book a call now. Otherwise, you have to wait to book a call for a week or two. Remember this, your product isn't the problem, okay? Your marketing is, and that is something we can fix. If you got value from this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe for more e-commerce marketing strategies like this. Until next time, this is Manoj reminding you that there are no saturated markets, only uninspired marketing. Peace out.